This listing brought to you by the Elson team at Remax Ability Plus. Stunning 4 to 5 bedroom west/3 car garage has much to offer. Main level bedroom perfect for in-law suite. Open floor plan west/lots of windows for natural light. Kitchen west/huge center island bar also features granite countertops, staggered cabinets and tile backsplash. Opens to sunroom and large great room with floor to ceiling built-ins. Dining area has been professionally enhanced to use as private office with sliding glass barn style doors. Great for working from home. Second level includes the master retreat featuring his and her closets and deluxe bath. 2 more bedrooms plus the 18 by 30 upstairs basement is perfect for rec/play and still has space if you want another bedroom. Other extras: stamped concrete patio, extensive landscaping and tree-lined lot, no backyard neighbors.